Emily's Plays and Francesca, and we're going to be making a fidget toy trading video.
These are mine. These are these.
And this.
Yeah, and she has a squishy. This was my idea. I showed her all of it and she got into it.
She likes fidget toys and she wanted me to make a YouTube video, so I said my very next video would be my 24-hour challenge, but like I haven't posted in a week and I wanted to post something, so yeah. Well,
Something glittery.
Let's get into the video.
Okay. So she has hers over there.
Okay.
So do you want to start off there?
Sure. Alright. Alright. Tip squishy going once, going twice. Alright, yes, what's your offer?
Alright, I'm gonna offer for this beanbag,
Okay. Could you add something?
One of these.
Okay.
How about the good?
Sure.
Alright.
Here you
Homemade simple dimple. Going once.
Oh, Francesca made that today. Oh, me. Alright. I'll trade you. Alright. I'm gonna use that. And this Minecraft baby pig plush.
I already have one. But can you like trade that out for something else? Maybe.
Alright. Oh, this? Okay. Alright, and how about, this being and another being bad.
No, decline. Sorry.
Alright, well, I don't have the best stuff. Well, anyways, alright. Let's see. Let me put this together because it broke. Okay, anyways, I have this, I don't know, stretchy pin, that's what I call it. Going once, going twice, alright.
I have this wacky track.
Okay, accept.
Wee. Oh, and it clicks too.
Wait, is this yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to offer on it?
No. Maybe. Well.
This one going once.
Oh, me. Alright. I will trade you. Yes, slime. I will trade you my rainbow twist.
Sorry, I already got one.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'll have a different offer in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. This and this.
Ooh, yeah.
Alright, that's good. That's good.
There you go. Alright.
This one.
Alright, your turn.
Alright.
Okay,
going
on. Talk.
Okay, sure. Thanks.
You're
trading that? Alright, you have some on your face.
Oh.
Sorry.
Alright. Once.
Alright. Yes, me. I went to trick. Okay.
It's kind of bad because it has cracks in it, so this offer doesn't have to be like super good.
Alright, well, I'll trade you this bean man and this shaky egg.
You can take away the shaky egg.
Okay, well here, just this bean bag. Thanks.
I love these. I love them. Okay. This gummy egg with 2 yellow, 1 green, and 1 red. Going once, going twice, 3 times.
No thanks.
Okay.
Yeah.
clicky thing.
Oh, yeah. I will give you, for that, I'll give you that.
Maybe can you add?
Yeah. How about if I also... Okay, how about if I trade out this for the rainbow twist? Oh, you already have one? Oh, I keep on forgetting that. Okay, I'll just give you this one. Is that good? Okay, good. I guess I'll just be keeping my rainbow twist. It's not on the trade list anymore, is it?
Alright, so what I'll be trading you.
Two eggs. Okay. Okay. I'll trade you this.
Maybe can you add one more thing?
This pen.
Alright, you got yourself a deal.
Okay. This is like my favorite fidget that I've made. I put the what's
Rubber
that
band.
called? Rubber band.
So
That's
the
your
last
turn.
trade of them all.
The last trade of them all is that?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't really want it, so
You don't really want it?
yeah, so.
Well, I don't really want these two eggs.
Okay. Got yourself a deal.
Well, hold on.
Oh.
Yeah, on top.
Okay.
Cool.
So,
Alright,
okay.
anyway, we're going to show our favorite fidgets. Alright, I'm going to show you my favorite fidgets. So, I have two favorites. This one is like a little bee bag with a rubber band. You stretch it, you push your thumb into the bee bag, and it's satisfying. Yeah, I think it would be a good stress reliever. And then there's this, the rainbow twist. Francesca made up like the colored pencil rainbow twist. There's her original one. Just take it in here, tie it in. Now Francesca's gonna show hers. So yeah.
So my favorite is my DIY Simple Dimple. I absolutely love it. And I like this beanbag stress ball. This thing, but it pinches you a lot. The Lucky Track. I love it.
Was that it?
And yeah. Wait, hold on.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Like, subscribe, and share. Please.